today I'm going to teach you about some fun stuff on your own sink in waterfall. 1. You need a sink. 2. You need this cap of a baby's bottle. But returning back immediately. First, on the water tap, and check any size. You can see it. Look. This is second. And the max, look. See, this the water is own waterfall, right? But look at its own falling down.
I see.
Beautiful?
Yes.
You can do it with a wipe. Or do anything about it. Also, you can use this also as this. Hey guys. The milk is just this. It's spraying out fast. Fellas, it's okay. Oh no! Not here. You can see it is not here. Oh no. You can do it. Your own baby bottle. But you need these 3 holes on your baby bottle. Bye bye, Nick. I'll see you again.